Hi, I'm Cindy Andrew with Nebraska Realty. Here are the top 5 things you should do now if you're thinking about selling in the spring. First thing, declutter. So you can see this cabinet is a mess. About half of the things in here need to go. So you need to go through all of your closets, every single one. This one is really full. A lot needs to be taken out of here. Get rid of it, throw it away, hide it, put it in storage, whatever you need to do. But this needs to look like a linen closet, not a catch-all. It really needs to show like everything is nice and organized and that this house has plenty of room. When you're decluttering, make sure you do not forget about the storage room in the basement. So this area right here needs to really be cleaned up. It needs to be nice and neat, just as organized as the upstairs. Also pay attention to the furnace. If it's dirty, just wipe this off. It makes it look a lot better to buyers and they're not so afraid that the unit is really old or damaged or something like that. And then if you haven't already done so, make sure you change your air filter. Also, if this tubing is dirty, just replace it. It's very easy. Just take a clip of it and take it to your hardware store and match it up for the right size and then just put it back on. Okay, so you want to go through your garage as well. Get rid of anything you don't need. So this seller's probably, I'm guessing, not using this. All this needs to be organized. It may take them a while, or just get rid of it. The second thing you need to do is look at your paint. So a lot of the marks on the paint can come off with one of these erasers. You can't go too hard because if you go too hard, it takes off the paint. So something like this right here, you're gonna have to spackle, sand, and then repaint. And you might wanna take a look at your paint color. So if it's not like a popular neutral color, it's a good idea to change it. Step 3, fix anything that you know needs fixed, like a leaky faucet, a broken door, broken glass, a torn screen, chipped paint, doors off hinges, windows that do not lock, any appliance that may need to be replaced that's not working properly. The fourth thing that you could do is look at any upgrades you could make to increase the value of your home. Maybe replace some light fixtures, add a backsplash, replace a backsplash. Maybe you need to change out your countertop, remove any wallpaper. Paint goes a long way and it's one of the cheapest things that you can do. The last thing, number 5, is curb appeal. Drive around your neighborhood and just take a look at some of the different houses. Make sure that yours fits in, and then also look at your house with the buyer's eye. If you were just driving by your house, what would you think? Would a new door color really make your whole house look a lot better? Maybe you add some planters outside. Change the light fixtures outside. Change your numbers on the house. Anything to make it look better as the buyers drive up and walk to the front door. So by doing all of these things, the goal is to make buyers just absolutely fall in love with your home. From the time they park in the driveway, walk through the front door, you want them to feel comfortable, you want them to feel that your home is well maintained and that they can walk in and just move in and not do anything. If you have any questions about any of these things, reach out to me on social media or give me a call.